Well, hello out there. This is a video chart analysis on Zix Corporation, ZIXI. Stock price $8.15. This is going to be some chart analysis. I'm going to share with you my thoughts. I think that this is an amazing company. I looked through, I don't know, 300 stocks or so over the weekend. You're looking at the monthly. This is the long-term view, and you can see here about a year and a half huge cup with handle that's been forming. This thing is about to absolutely explode, and when it does, it's going to be ginormous. Look at this. It's email encryption software. It's in a space of security. They got their stuff together. They have huge revenues and beautiful sales and earnings. Let me jump over away from this monthly, but look at this real quick. Up, 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 and it's about to bust out into what I would consider new highs ever since it went public, or it went down and then came all the way up to this high of 1855. I think it's going to head back to that 1855. That'll be its ceiling, and I think it's going to do it within the next 12 months. So I think this is going to double its money. It's a long-term play. It's not an overnight thing. I think it's just a solid security all around. Check out the weekly chart. And so I showed you that big, huge cup with handle. You can see right here, it's forming another little something here. So you can see right here, and there's the handle. See that cup right here, and there's the handle. So it's got a big one within another one, and that's something that's a sign from everything that I've learned to be a very, very big deal. 141.5 million if you go back 8 quarters ago that they brought in revenue, and then if you look at the last 4 quarters, 210 million. That's a huge jump from 141 million to 210 million year over year, and it ain't going anywhere. This is the kind of thing, once your customers get into it, they're not leaving it, and it's just revenue you can count on. It's in the software as a service industry and sector. Some of the analysts are projecting an $11 price point in most recently. It's a really good company. I love the base within the base. It's doing a consolidation right here. So right now it's consolidating in that handle, and it's just kind of treading water and moving across. But at any moment, it could just absolutely explode. And let's look at the daily. And here's the daily. You see how now this is a high tight flag, so the flag goes up and the flag goes up, and now it's just consolidating. It's just moving over, right? And as soon as it touches that 50-day, I believe, boom. So it's kind of a pretty sweet spot to buy right now. You could also wait for it to bust through this 946, or even a secondary point of about $9.05. So you could buy it on strength and volume as it breaks through that, and not have to like sit around or put your position in. And who knows what could happen? I'm not advising anybody to buy this. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get it. I think it's a phenomenal company. I've researched it. This is coming in as my number 3 pick. I've only picked 6 stocks. One of them I'm not going to get, so I've got 5 that I'm going to get, and this is number 3, so it's right in the middle. And I just think it's, you never know which one's going to go and take off to the races. Actually, Zix is my number 2. It's my number 2 pick. So this is just a beautiful company, a beautiful chart. I see the action. I know what they do. I understand their technology. And it's a future-based technology. People are going to need that security, all the hacking and the internet and everything that's going on. Email is just a critical point. Remember everything that happened with Hillary, and the people are getting hacked, and it's bad juju. You know what I mean? So this company is saving other companies with and it's a subscription-based model. So somebody signs up and they got 2,000 employees and they're charging $9.95 a month. I don't know what they charge, but I'm just saying, look at that revenue. It's absolutely, and people don't leave that once they learn how to use it and they get the whole adoption. And I think that they're the leader in this space. They have to be making those kind of revenues, 100 and 210 million. If we look at their PE ratio, very low PE ratio. A lot of these tech companies trade for 50, 60, 70, 40. X like PE ratio. This one's 15, so still a pretty low PE ratio overall, and I just really I love this company. You know, I'm getting this company. I believe in this company. So that's ticker symbol ZIXI, Zik Corporation, and this was brought to you by StockPricer.com. Thanks for watching.